Look at his little face. Look at my face, I'm wearing my sunglasses.
Yes.
I'll take them off, guys. It's rude to talk.
Yes.
It's rude to vlog with your sunglasses on, apparently.
Yes. Well, I never told you that.
No. Guys, we've come out with Bear and Subra.
Yes.
It's actually their first day on the beach.
Yes.
Ever. They're going to freak out, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're going to freak out. They've never actually been on the beach before,
No.
and they're going to love it.
Even though we live near a beach, we don't have time to take them off with.
That's it, guys. We live on a coastal town. But these lovely German Shepherd puppies have never ever been out
On the beach.
on the beach. But now they are.
Where's Subra?
Where's Subra?
Bear's full of drool on his head,
Yeah.
so you can guess Subra's been drooling.
One of them's there, but the other one isn't. Subra? Subra?
And Lyra's at home because...
Subra? Hey, good girl. Come on, Subra. Ah, here we go.
3 of them
Yeah.
together is really hard work.
That's true.
Oh, look at him! Oh, babies!
Yeah.
Emma babies.
Cuties, eh?
Oh.
Right, should we go and get them on the beach?
Yes, I've got the ball.
Got a ball?
I've got a ball.
Show me. Right, okay. Let's go and see what they make of the beach.
Yes.
Right. Okay, you two. Are you ready to come out?
Yeah. One can come out.
One for me.
What are you doing? Oh, gosh, you made a tongue.
Good girl. Come on, Bear.
Come on, you big wuss.
Getting heavy now, aren't they?
Yeah.
When are they 6 months?
Next week.
Next week. Yeah, not long, guys. So 6 months old. Okay, so we're on the beach now. We're on the beach. It's very windy, isn't it?
It's quite windy, yeah.
Very noisy.
It's warmer.
Well, the dogs, they're looking forward to this. They're going to love this, aren't they? Oh, yeah.
Go on then, go see.
See if you'll go in the sea. I don't think they will go in the sea.
Never seen one on the sea before.
No, they haven't.
You might go in and throw the ball and stone it.
You throw a stone in for them.
Which is nothing.
Oh, that was so funny. She had seaweed in her mouth. Oh, I just freaked out. He's scared of it. Was that scary, Subra? Okay guys, just for identification purposes, this one is Subra. She's a girl, she's
orange
with
colour.
the orange colour. And then we've got Bear, he's the boy with the blue colour. Isn't that right, Bear?
Yeah.
Good boy.
What's this? Are you ready? Are you ready?
And they are from Luna's second litter, aren't they?
Yes. If Luna was here now, she'd be in that sea.
Oh,
Can't get her
definitely.
out, she loves water.
No doubt about it.
Yeah.
Okay, puppies, look at this. Got this, puppies. Look at me. Look at me. Right, let's chuck this. I won't do, don't worry. You're kind of in the way. Right, Pops. Go. They're going for it. They better have to. Seriously, they're not going to bring it back.
No.
You better. Oh, what? You can't be serious.
Look at your ball.
No way. What are you supposed to do, guys? Pick it up.
Such a big baby. Guys, we're going exploring, not hanging on me.
It's because they love you so much, Fiona, that's why.
Oh, baby
They're-
boy. Oh, yeah.
They love you so much. Hello, Bear.
Yeah, they're
Good
nothing
lad.
like what the mum and Star were like as puppies. They're so
No.
much, they're more chilled, aren't they?
They're far more chilled.
Far more chilled out, and they just want to be with us all the time.
Yeah.
Like Klingons.
Softy dogs.
Yeah.
One thing you have to be careful about German Shepherds is potential aggression towards other dogs and people. It's important to get them socialised. Now, these two just seen another dog just over yonder and have started going mental, haven't they? Started barking and stuff. There you go.
Hey,
Come here.
Zebra! Zebra!
As I was saying, it's always really, really important to socialise German Shepherds from a really young age with people and other dogs. Now we have tried doing it. We've had a bit of a struggle with these two because they've got that natural. German Shepherds do have sort of a natural aggression in them, which is directed at their owners, what we really know. But they are very protective, and they don't trust strangers. So if somebody, this is why they use as guard dogs, because if it's somebody they don't know, they tend to be naturally wary. That can turn over into aggression if you don't socialise them from a young age. That's what we're trying to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Slow process though, guys.
Whenever we go out, there's nobody about, is there?
Nah.
No dogs about.
No, when they do see one, they freak out.
Yeah.
So we have to get them more socialised, guys. But as for now, would you like a drink?
Oh yes, please, I'm thirsty.
Okay, we'll get a drink from the cafe.
Yes, okay. I need to go back and get that ball. They left the ball.
Oh right. Seriously? So I'm walking all the way down here and there's no... Yep, that's spotted a nice cafe over here, guys. This is the life, eh?
Yeah.
Got the dogs here and two lovely coffees as well. How are you doing?
Yours is half spilt.
Mine's half spilled, yeah. Yes guys, this gentleman came into the cafe and dogs got very excited, didn't they?
I'm not on the table.
Yeah, this is the thing about socialisation. We need to work on that, don't we?
Yes.
Definitely. 100%. You enjoy your biscuit, Fiona?
Yes, it's a bit soggy now.
Is it soggy now? Oh dear. Well, it's starting to rain now. It's looking pretty bad, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's time to get these two back home.
Yeah.
So let's get them in. Yes. Anyway guys, I think we've finally found the perfect tent for our 24 hours in a forest challenge. Check this out. It is of course this tent here. 2 to 3 people. It looks like a standard 2-person tent, but if you look closely, you'll see, well, yeah, it's actually quite big. It's like the 2-people tents, but it's actually a bit bigger. Looks like a good size. So I'll do it for me and Fiona, and also it's up to 3 people, so if May wants to come too, she can do. The other ones don't want to go. Lister doesn't want to go, Holly doesn't want to go. The rest of them don't want to go, and to be honest I don't blame them. But anyway, this is what we're going to get, guys, so as soon as it arrives we'll show it to you. Well, are you enjoying your nectarine?
Yes, thank you.
We thought we'd finish off today's vlog in the conservatory for a change. We always finish it off in the front room or the bedroom upstairs, but this time I'll finish it off in the conservatory. Whilst you eat... oh, thanks very much. Very nice.
Yes.
Sorry guys.
My fault.
Fiona's fault.
Yeah.
Okay. So now as we go, guys, we've picked the tent. That's all done, dusted.
Yes.
So all we've got to do now is plan the day, and we'll plan the 24 hours, and that'll
But
be...
it won't be this weekend, 'cause it's going to rain.
No, but very soon.
So, and it can't be next weekend, 'cause I'm not here next week.
Good. Fiona's going away, guys. Fiona's going away to the Isle of Man.
I am.
Yes, she is.
With my son and and Holly.
That's right. And she may not be coming back. She keeps threatening me. I'm on my last warning.
Aww.
Ow.
Would I leave you on your own?
Of course you would.
Yeah.
Anyway, we will indeed be back on Friday with a vlog, maybe a challenge. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on Friday.
Bye.
Bye.